Hey Sarah, let me see if I can help you out and make you feel a little bit more comfortable here. I've already cut this piece of iron-on, and I have put it shiny side, pretty side onto the mat and the dull side to the front. And I have cut my image. So now I can see the lines. They're very faint, but if you look, you can see them. They're there. But I am going to take my scissors, and you can put a box around these, and so it cuts a box for you, but you're still going to have to cut that carrier. And I'm just going to make sure I don't cut any of my lines. I'm just going to cut out the part that I need to work with, okay? Let me see if I can get a better focus here. I had it on autofocus, and it just goes in and out when I move up. But I have it here, and I'm just going to start at the corner, and I'm going to get that transfer, and I'm going to start to peel it. And some of them, sometimes it'll break when you're doing that and you're trying to peel, but as you peel it, it will come apart from the lines where you've cut. This is your trash piece. You don't need that. You need to make sure that you take out all the little centers and things like that. You want to peel those out. And like I said, sometimes if it's really fine or something like that, it may tear or break or stretch. And that's fine. That's not going to hurt anything. That's all trash. The only thing that you're going to leave on that carrier sheet is your design itself. So now that is ready to be ironed on. I mirrored my image when I cut it because with iron-on we put the pretty side to the mat. So we have to mirror it so that when we go and iron it on, we iron it on and it reads the correct way, and then we pull this carrier off after we've ironed on. Okay? Vinyl is basically the same thing, except you're not going to mirror, and you're just going to cut it with the pretty side up. You're going to take away all the trash that you don't want to keep, and then you're going to put transfer tape over the top of it, and you're going to lift it, you're going to peel the paper backing off, and then you're going to use that transfer tape to put that on there. And I have a couple of vinyl videos to show you that. But I just wanted to show you about iron-on. Don't be scared to weed it. If it's cut, it's going to be a little difficult to see. It's not supposed to cut this plastic sheet. So if you did not cut your plastic sheet, you did it correctly, and you're just going to pull out all the trash, and then you're ready to iron it on. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out.